Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Take It Simple YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download ClickUp desktop app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the ClickUp download for desktop in Google. So once you do that, you'll be able to see a link at top on the screen, where you need to click on this link and you'll be redirected to the official download page of the ClickUp on in the screen. So you need to scroll a little bit down, and now you can see there is three options to download: mobile, desktop, and Chrome extensions. So you can see there is desktop and there is three options as well. First one is MacBook, another one is Windows, and last one is Linux. So you can choose any of them, but mine is Windows, so let me select the Windows. And now you can see your download has begun automatically. So yeah, once your download gets complete, click to this file and your installation gonna be processed automatically. Now you can see it. So yeah, finally once your installation gets complete, you will be able to access it. So yeah, basically this is how you can download ClickUp desktop app. And if you still encounter an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.